www.newtoboss.com. This is again Ty. We're still on the part where we're creating a video tutorial series on Adobe Audition CS6. In case you missed out something that you'd want to check back or scan back from the list of videos that we have on our YouTube channel, you can check that in there. Probably you would need those video tutorials prior to following the video tutorial that we're creating right now. Again, we're on a part where we would want to show you on how you can add in effects or audio effects to make your recording sound a little bit nicer, or probably sound a little bit professional. If you would probably use this for a radio commercial or a radio ad, voiceover that you're going to use for something else. So yeah, what you do first, you open up your Adobe Audition from here, like that. If you're using Adobe Audition CS6, 3.0, 2.0, it's just going to be the same. If you're just going to use the standard effects that you have in there, like echo, reverb, some kind of a flanger. But if you're using Cool Edit Pro or something older, then you can just check that in there. If you can't find that, then you might want to upgrade to CS6. Yeah, when you first open your Adobe Audition, you first would be brought to a default page that's going to take you to waveform view. If you don't know how to create voiceovers yet, or basic recording, go back, scan down on the videos that we have on the list prior to learning this. But we're going to start off from basic. If you might run into some errors like data rate, the sample rate errors, just do check that out in there. Yeah, what you first do, if you click on the red button right there, it's gonna say record. It's gonna record your voice. You would want to make sure first that you're on a waveform view. Go up on the left side, click on waveform, name that, and say like voice over 001, probably like that. Sample rate, just keep that at 44 100. If you'd want to change that, it's gonna work, but I'm pretty much okay with 44. Stereo for the channel, you might want to use 5.1, but just think so of the people that's going to use this, probably not using 5.1, but a lot of people still are. So still standard will be stereo. You just put that as stereo. Bit depth 32. You can use 8, 16, and 24. Click on OK. Then it's going to take you to a waveform view like this. If you click on the red button that says record, it's going to record while you talk, if the headset that you're using is the input microphone that you are also using. But if not, or you don't want to make hardware changes again, you go back on the video list and then check that out from there before continuing with the tutorial right here. Click on the red button, play that, record, spacebar, record while it's going to play. So from there, we want to delete that first, Control A, then press Control A, press delete. It's going to remove everything. Voiceover. I created something right here. This would probably sound not okay for you, but this is what I got into, what got into my mind earlier. This would be our sample radio ad, or probably just a short voiceover that we're going to use so that we could add an effect to a sample voice, which is my voice for this. So what you're going to do first, you take on record right here, and you don't mind if it's capturing while you're talking, because you could just delete that a little later. Right? So before you start off, you might want to say recording 1 or recording 2. Why? It's just a marker though. So you could somehow remember as to what how many times you tried the recording. But if you want to just delete that, that will be safer. Spacebar to stop, Control A, press delete. Let's start to record right now. Noodleboss treats you for a Valentine pizza party. Get 20% discount when you order right now. Plus, we'll add in 2 solo pizzas with a flavor of your choice. So what are you waiting for? Call now. Let's stop that in there and check if I guess it's too loud. Noodleboss treats you for a Valentine. If you notice, it's banging right there. Right, so we're going to repeat that because I don't want to adjust the microphone on real time because I'm using this on Camtasia right now. What you just have, or what you can do for this, if you're using a mixer or an audio mixer, you can just adjust the input channel. But now, since I'm using a headset, what I'm gonna do is talk a little bit far from the microphone. Let me just delete that because we cannot use that. Let me just pull this off a little bit away, and let me start back. Checking here. I guess I've got misspelled words right there. Okay, let me start back. No, I need to pull this back a little. Treat you for a pizza party. Treat you for a pizza. Hello, treats you for a pizza party. I guess that would be enough. Okay, let me once again. Noodle Boss treats you for a Valentine pizza party. Get 20% discount when you order right now. Plus, we'll add in 2 solo pizzas with a flavor of your choice. So what are you waiting for? Call now. Put my headset back again. And let me see. You for a Valentine pizza party. Okay, I guess that would be enough. And 1 second, let me just charge up my computer because it's way too low for the battery. Okay, there we go. Let me repeat that back again. For a Valentine. So, Boss treats you for a Valentine pizza party. Noodle Boss treats you for a Valentine pizza party. Get 20% discount when you order right now. Plus, we'll add in 2 solo pizzas with a flavor of your choice. You can play that first like that. So what are you waiting for? Call now. Okay, we're gonna end it in there. So what you do, you select the part where you'd want to end it, and highlight that, and delete. Go back to multi-track right here. Oh, sorry, you're on waveform view, I believe. I forgot. Okay, so again, if you want to trim it, you might want to make it a little longer, like that. Just drag the handler, Noodle Boss, and remove that part. Because you're still gonna pay for that if you're gonna send this on radio, because it's per second, I guess. I mean, not I guess, but I'm sure. Okay, drag that now. Call now, Noodle Boss. Okay, I'm not a professional radio jock or doing voiceovers. I'm just trying to test this. All right. Okay, so what you do, you amplify this. You Control A and bring that in to multi-track. Say track 002 radio ad 44100 template. Click on OK. Then it's going to give you this multi-track view right there. How do you want to bring that? Click on waveform back again. Right click. And you say insert to multi-track. And that's your part right there. We just said that it's track 002. Noodle Boss treats you for a Valentine pizza party. Take a look at that part right here. You got breaks. Get. So you might want to just inject a really, really short break for the party. Let me just edit that because this is not what I'm trying to show. Pizza party. Let me just edit that really, really quick for you. I'm sorry. Pizza party. Get 20% discount when you order right now. Show now. Plus, we'll add in 2 solo pizzas with a flavor of your choice. Bigger again. Sorry, bear with me. I need to just cut that out a little bit so the sound be nice. What are you waiting for? Call now. Noodle Boss treats you for a Valentine pizza party. Get 20% discount when you order right now. Plus, we'll add in 2 solo pizzas with a flavor of your choice. So what are you waiting for? Call now. Okay, that's a pretty lame ad right there, but it's what I thought of. I'm not very good at that. Okay, so here's the exciting part, how you want to change your voice right there, how you want to add in effects. You are on waveform view. Okay, if you're on a multi-track view, just double click on that. It's going to bring you back to the waveform view. Control A, highlight. There you go for effects right here. Then take on that, and it's going to give you all these. If you want to make it a little bit reverbing, you got an echo or somehow like a delay while you talk. Just got someone says analog delay. Stick on that. And you got default. You got presets though. There are a lot really. So or you just use Fusion right here. Click on play. It's gonna sound a little bit different.
New to boss, 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 new to boss.
That's Fusion. It's gonna fuse a lot of voices from one source. Alright, so if you're trying to create a recording for something else, you can use Fusion. Control Z to go back. This is how you experiment on the audio. Oh, sorry, I guess my microphone's too far. This is how you experiment your audio from there. So, one more. Got reverb. This will make it sound a little bit like you're on a studio somehow. So you click on Studio Reverb right here, and go for something that says Vocal Reverb. Here, just small. Alright, take on Apply, and notice the difference.
New to boss treats you for a Valentine pizza party. Get 20% discount when you order right now. Plus, we'll add in 2 solo pizzas with a flavor.
See that? It's going to be a little bit different from there. So go back, Control Z, and just play around with all these. If you want to stretch the recording, let's say Control A and bring back to multi-track right here. If you want to go back, just take on home. Let's say your marker is right here, just take on home. It's going to bring you back to where it should be as your starting point. Okay, what you do here, you would want to like create a simple chorus. Maybe you'd want to do 2 voices. It's very simple. Right click over that, click on copy, and bring this right here. Right click on the second layer, track 2, right there, and click on paste. You got 2 right here. If you merge that together, you'll notice that it's going to be a little bit louder. It's going to amplify that twice.
New to boss treats you for a.
Right? So if you want to turn this off, you tick on M to mute, and you will notice
New to boss treats you.
It's different. Switch that on back
for a Valentine pizza party.
Okay, if you want to make adjustments on the volume right here, you can just do that here for the decibel. Alright, just go back a little bit, bring that back down to 0. If you want to adjust it down, just bring it back down. So we're going to use 2. Why? Because we would want to make it sound like quite a little bit double. But you just have to make some sort of like adjustment going to the right. What you do is take a look at the marker right here. See that? The audio first should not exactly match all the waveform. Just adjust that going a little bit to the right, so the first voice would come in first, and then the second repetitive voice would come in second.
New to boss treats you for a Valentine pizza party.
Right? It would sound a little bit better like that, and also if you added music, it would also sound a little bit good. Again, I'm not going to show you all the effects right here because it's going to take up quite a time for us to learn everything, but adding in effects is just on this part right here. Alright? And also, if here's another that I would want to show you. Let's say you'd want to, let's delete this out. Let me just
New boss treats you for a Valentine pizza party.
Alright, so that would sound like that. Alright, so again, that will be all for now. Again, there's a lot of effects in there. You just play around depending on the need that you would have. You got fillers, you got delay and echo. You can generate tones, you can generate robot voices to showcase everything to you, but it's going to take up a lot of time. Okay, so just experiment on that. Just take on the box right here, effects, and you can manage from there. Again, for some other video tutorials, you can check out www.newtoboss.com. My name is Ty. Thanks for watching, and let's listen to pizza ad that we created.
Noodle Boss treats you for a Valentine pizza party. Get a 20% discount when you order right now. Plus, we'll add in 2 solo pizzas with the flavor of your choice. So what are you waiting for? Call now.